One of the questions we have is, can I use Pipedrive to send legal documents? You absolutely can, and this can be done with a Pipedrive feature called Smart Docs. One thing that I would like to mention here is that this feature comes as a paid on a light and growth plan, and starting from the premium plan, it comes as a free add-on, and that's included in the pricing. So first of all, you would need to connect to your storage. In my case, I use Google, so whenever you click three dots, you have a documents feature. And this where it explains how this feature works. You can actually watch a pretty cool video explaining the feature. So without too deep diving, I will show you how it works on a surface level. So basically, first of all, you connect to your storage. In my case, this is Google Drive. You select that it will be personal drive. In case you have a shared drive, you will also be able to select the shared drive. Now, once you're connected, if you go to any deal, then you would have a document stop. And this same applies to when you go to a contact detail view. You will also have a document stop here. So basically, once I have the feature enabled, once I have the Google Drive integration set, when I go to documents, this is where I will be able to use the documents. So I can either create from a template or start brand new document, but just for the sake of demonstrating it, I will show you how you can create templates. So basically, this is one of the cool features is that you can create templates that can be used over and over again by your team members. So I'm going to just show you a quick example. So for example, this would be our general contract. So what I can do, I can create a template that will then fill in the fields automatically. So I would say, hello, and then I want to approach my customer by the full name or by the first name. So in my case, it would be the first name. I simply click copy, and what it will do, it will give a proper syntax that you can use for the documents that will be auto-filled in once you use this template. I will show how it works in a second. So this is, so I want to say who's writing. So if I'm the deal owner, I can add a deal owner field here. So deal owner, and this is a reminder that this contract should be signed by, and then you can put any date, but just for the testing purposes, I would say it would be a deal expected close date. So I'm going to create a simple template. And now what will happen is that if I select this template, you see it automatically filled in all the fields that it picked up from my deal. So my deal is with the contact person, Max. This is a regular user, and then it needs to be signed by this date. Now, what you can do on top of that, you can now either share it as a link, you can download it as a PDF, or you can even request signatures. So I say, I want to request signatures. Now will give me a pop-up menu where I can put all the names, right? So I want to put the correct name of the person here, add their email, and then request signatures. You can add as many signers as you wish. Now, on the next screen, you can actually edit where they will put the signature. So if it's going to be a real signature, if it will be just initials, or it's just going to be a text box here. So now when I click send, it will send the document to the customer. And once customer has viewed it or signed it, I will get a notification. So basically, a Smart Docs feature is a way to go to send out repetitive legal documents. You can then share all your templates you've created with the team, so they won't have to fill it in automatically. And everything will be nicely connected to your Google Drive, and you will see all of those documents you've created in your Google Drive.